Hi boys and girls, today we're going to work on ways to make 5. You can see I have some cute little ladybugs here. I'm going to pull over 5 red ones first. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now I'm going to try to change the color so we can have 2 different colors here. So let's try to make them green. I'm going to pull over some green ones to do. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's see if I can make those green. Make each one green here so we have some different colors to work with. And then we can practice making 5. Whoops, I need to change that one back to this one back to red. And this one didn't go green. Let's make it green. Okay, very good. So now let's work on how we can make 5. So first, I have 5 red ladybugs and no green ladybugs up here with it. So I can write a number sentence for that. I can write 5 plus 0 equals 5. And then I'm going to hit done, and that makes my number sentence for the first one. 5 red and 0 green equals 5. 5 plus 0 equals 5. Now I'm going to take away one of my red ones up here and replace it with a green one. So let's count how many red ones we have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4. We have 4 red and 1 green. And I can write a number sentence for that. 4 plus 1 equals 5. And that matches that number sentence. 4 plus 1 equals 5. Very good. Now I'm going to take away another red one and put up a green one. Now how many red do we have? 1, 2, 3 red. And how many green? 1, 2. And I can write a number sentence for that one too. 3 red plus 2 green equals 5. Wow, we did it. 3 plus 2 equals 5. I'm going to take this red one down here and put up this green one. Now how many red do we have? 1, 2 red. And how many green do we have? 1, 2, 3. And I can write a number sentence for that. 2 plus 3 equals 5. And we're going to move our number sentence down here just to show it. 2 plus 3 equals 5. Very good. Now I'm going to take my red one away and put up a green one. And now I have 1 red one and 4 green. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's write that number sentence. 1 plus 4 equals 5. Very good. 1 plus 4 equals 5. And then we can take away the last red one and put up the last green one. Now how many reds do we have? That's right, 0. 0 red and 5 green. 0 plus 5 equals 5. And we can move our number sentence down here. So you can see the different ways to make 5. Look at the number sentences. What do you notice? Do you see any patterns? I see a pattern here. The numbers are counting down. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. And inside the numbers are counting up. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now your assignment will be to use some objects at home like cereal, 2 different kinds of cereals, or 2 different kinds of coins, and practice making 5s with them. And you can write a number sentence to go with it. And I'm going to add an assignment so you can show me your work. Have a great day.